So on a boosted post is on your Facebook page, not your Facebook group, on your Facebook page. Once you do a post on your Facebook page, it enables you to boost that post, which means it enables you to turn your post into a bit of an advert, all right? And you get a limited amount of targeting that you can do. That's your audience, your targeting. You get a limited amount of audience targeting and budget and duration, how long you're going to boost it for. So you get all that, all right? So in that way, cancel promotion, in that way, it's like a beginner's way of advertising on Facebook. And if you're just getting started on Facebook, it's a very, very simple way of doing Facebook marketing. Do a post and then boost your post. And that way you can go out to your audience and get more likes, more shares and things like that, okay? So that's a boosted post. What have we got here? Well, this will do. So Facebook advertising, however, it's more complex, but it allows you to do so much more with your ads. It really does give you the whole breadth and depth of Facebook's advertising platform. It gives you access to lots and lots of cool stuff that you can do within that. So here is let's just have a look. Here's an advert that I was running. So I got to run this advert for a 75% off Amazon coupon through the website, directly into people's mobile news feeds like that, or into their desktop news feeds like that. And I could control that advert much, much better as a result of actually using the Facebook ads platform rather than just the boost post. So the difference is the amount of things that you can do. Outside of that, they're fairly similar, should I say? But the difference is the amount of stuff you can do. So I don't personally use boost posts because I have found that for the things that I want to do on Facebook and to use Facebook in the way that I think it's supposed to be used, you can only get access to that crazy shit that Facebook lets you do by going into the ad platform, the ad server platform like this, and using it directly from here. It gives you so much more you can do, and because of that, it's much better, I think, to use that. So videos, for instance, and Canva things, and all sorts of crazy stuff you can do. Much, much better. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.